Are you trying to manifest your goals? Are you feeling tired, frustrated, drained in the process of achieving your goals? Then there is a problem. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly where you're going wrong and how you can make your manifestation journey a joyful one. You see, manifestation is a wonderful way to actually become conscious of your own power. Manifestation is a wonderful universal energy that reminds us whatever we think has the potential to become a reality in our lives. What we focus on grows indeed stronger in our lives and begins to come into our lives in some form or the other. It also tells us how we should be responsible for our own energy, because whatever you are feeling, that has a better chance of coming up in your life as an experience, as a reality, as an outcome. However, sometimes one can feel a sense of struggle when we are trying to achieve something. If you're one of them, my advice to you is slow down. Even though you want to achieve a big goal and it may be very, very important for you, please understand that if you're overdoing your manifestation tools and practices, then you are not maintaining a good vibration. It's very important for you to constantly be conscious of the energy you're putting out. So let's say you've picked up a good practice. Maybe it's writing your goals down every day. But if you're writing your goals down in a hurry, if you're not feeling good when you're writing them, if you're constantly thinking about whether or not this is going to happen, or if you think writing 10,000 times is going to help me achieve my goal faster, then you are only pulling your energy down, because the subconscious mind is going to catch your desperation. It's going to catch your thought and feeling that you're scared this may not happen at all, or that maybe you're not worth it, or maybe this is too difficult a goal to achieve. So whenever you embrace manifestation tools and techniques, first of all, make sure you understand what you are doing. Randomly watching something, reading something, and then bringing it into your life is not the right way to approach manifestation. Bringing something into your life simply because you watched it somewhere, you read it somewhere, and you got attracted to it is not the right way. You need to understand, first of all, what is the science behind the ritual. So whenever you choose a tool to apply in your own life, you must understand, why is this tool so effective? How can it change your life? What is the real powerful way of applying this tool in your life? Let's say if it's about writing goals. You should understand that writing can help you form a new connection, but that's only when you're focusing on what you're writing. So if you're not focusing, you're talking to someone, or you're trying to do two things at the same time, then it's not going to work for you. Then there is no point, because the subconscious mind will catch your feeling of being in a hurry. It will catch your doubt. It will catch your feeling that there are several things in you that you have to complete. So that feeling of being burdened, of feeling under pressure, that feeling will actually dominate your vibration, and that will not yield you good results in the long run. So the first thing is, choose your practices carefully. See what resonates with you. There are so many practices available today. You don't have to do all of them. You have to choose 4 or 5 which are good for you. Either you have a coach that guides you, you have a mentor that guides you. Go to them, take their advice according to your energy, according to your goals. What are the most powerful practices? However, if you don't want to go to a coach, you're not ready for being coached yet, then you can simply look at a few things, whether it's watching videos or reading some tools and practices, and then making sure that you sit with yourself to understand, okay, which practice I can incorporate in my life with discipline, which is a practice that I can keep up in the long run, and why do I want to bring this practice? Is it powerful enough? What are the changes I'll observe with it? So if you are thinking about these questions, about the power behind the practice, understanding the logic behind the practice, then chances are you will have more faith in that practice. And then you will actually apply it in your life also with more clarity, with more power, with more dedication. Second thing is, whenever you're doing a practice, you have to focus on it. So every day, you have to take about 1 hour to 1.5 hours for yourself to do your rituals. Whatever the practice is, whether it's writing your goals down, whether it's visualizing, whether it's simply giving yourself some positive statements. It could also mean simply reading a life script you have written for yourself. You see, any of these practices need some time. In fact, if you haven't already started doing it, I will advise you one practice which is the most powerful manifestation tool, because it allows you to slow down. It also allows you to control your energy, and that is sitting in silence. If you haven't started doing that yet, my advice to you is start sitting in silence, because you will never overdo your manifestation journey and tools if you are sitting in silence on a daily basis. Silence has that power. It heals you. It allows you to unblock your energy. It gives you clarity. It gives you a sense of stability. It keeps you grounded. So 1 hour to 1.5 hours is more than enough for you to give to your mind tools, give to your energy, to give to your manifestation. That can have 4 or 5 practices which you feel you can do and which you have resonated with. For example, I always resonated with writing. So I would always include writing. In fact, even today, whenever there is something important I want to experience in my life, I always make sure I write about it, because writing helps me feel connected with the energy of whatever it is that I want to bring. So like that for you, it could either be affirming in front of a mirror, it could simply mean visualizing. Whatever resonates with you, make sure that practice you make a part of your everyday routine. But after that 1 hour to 1.5 hours, please focus on your work. If you're at home, be present to your family members. Listen to them, talk to them, communicate with them. You don't have to all the time be daydreaming or thinking about your goals. In fact, that means you're overdoing it, because then you will feel tired, because mental tiredness will kick in. And what will happen is you will have no energy to perform any actions, because you're so tired thinking that there is no energy to do anything. So rest of the day, after your 1 hour to 1.5 hours is done, make sure you focus on other things. Maybe you have to go to work, maybe you have to work from home, maybe you have some things to attend to. Whatever it is, give your attention to them. Give them importance, because remember, any kind of work that has come to you is God's will, universe's will. It has come to you for a reason. So pay attention to it. Make sure all other roles you are also playing well. Whether you're a mother, you're a father, you're a brother, you're a sister, whatever role you are playing, whatever relationships you have, you value them, you give them importance. Even if it's work, your work deserves importance. So make sure whatever you do, you focus on it. Do it as if it's God's work, and do it to the best of your ability. Do it mindfully. Every few hours in the day, you should take breaks. If you are not doing that, you should. Every couple of hours, take 1 or 2 minutes for yourself. Relax. Try to relax your mind and body. Take a few deep breaths. That is a good time to think of your goals. Remind yourself that you deserve to achieve all these goals. For example, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have bought my new home. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm married to a loving and supportive partner. I'm so happy and grateful for my healthy mind and body. You could say these things, which are your goals, and while you're saying them, keep a smile on your face. But after those 1 or 2 minutes, get back to your work. You don't again have to keep prolonging the repetition of these goal statements. Quantity is never important in manifestation. What is important is the quality, the energy behind these practices. And I want you to focus more on the energy that is within you as you're doing the practices. And of course, as you come home, you finish your day's work, relax, unwind. Give some time to yourself. You need to do some self-care activities, whether it's going out for a walk, soaking your feet in salt water, listening to some good music, watching something inspiring, reading something good. Give some time to these self-care activities. Every time it's not about thinking how to manifest your goal. It's also about unwinding. It's about finding your sense of peace, relaxation, a sense of well-being. Because if you do that, then you're maintaining a balance. And not only are you connecting with your goals every day, not only are you letting your subconscious mind know this is important for me, on the other hand, you are doing things which maintains your vibration. Both these have to go together if you want to manifest your goals. If you're doing only one, only connecting with your goals, not taking care of yourself, not enjoying your day-to-day life, not valuing your relationships, not valuing your work, not valuing your body, but only thinking about getting something new in your life, then you are not doing what is going to be right for you in the long run. In fact, you'll be experiencing a sense of burnout. You will get overtired. You will experience mental tiredness and fatigue. Physically, you will not feel energetic enough. And definitely, it will take a toll on your body, your health, your system, most importantly, on your relationships. In fact, even your work will start to suffer because you are not giving your best to these areas. And definitely your manifestation will be delayed, which is why a lot of people say, Doctor, I have been reciting or repeating these statements every day hundreds of times. Why is it that my result has not come? Chances are that you're not maintaining a balance. You're not taking care of your vibration. You're only thinking of connecting with your goals. And of course, maintaining your vibration will also involve dealing with negative emotions. So if you're only focusing on your goals, but you're not looking at releasing negative feelings, then you see you're blocking your manifestation. So manifestation is not only about connecting with your goal. It's not only about affirming you have something. It's also about maintaining a good vibration. So if you are overdoing your manifestation tools, if you're somebody who's feeling drained in the process of achieving your goals, please stop now. It won't take you long to correct yourself. In a day or two, you can put yourself into a powerful routine that involves maintaining a good vibration, feeling good, and also spending your day more mindfully and peacefully. Remember, at the end of the day, why do you want to achieve something? You want to achieve it because of the way it's going to make you feel. But if you're not taking care of your feelings today, then you're letting the universe know that you don't care for feelings, that you don't value feeling good. And if you don't value feeling good, the universe will not send you more things that will make you feel good. So you are only sending a signal to the universe through the way of spending your days. So make sure you spend your day with more control, with more power, with more peace, and with more joy. I hope this video inspires you to take action on your goals, but not to mistrust your own power, not to doubt your power. In fact, to believe that you have the power to connect with your goals. You have the power to manifest anything you want. But life is all about maintaining a balance. It's about first valuing what you have. Because only when you value first what you have, will you actually be attracting better things that will you feel more valuable about. All these things which will further add value to your life. I also have a video on manifestation and affirmations for pregnancy. If you're someone who wants to achieve happy pregnancy or healthy pregnancy, or you know someone who wants to undergo this beautiful phase and journey, then do suggest this video. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste.